The StarTech USB-C HDMI 4K60 PD converter is a real gem. It's like a magic key for your laptop. This little device lets you connect your USB-C computer to an HDMI monitor or TV. You get crystal clear 4K video at 60 Hz. Imagine sharp pictures. Also, smooth video. This means no choppy playback. The adapter is super easy to use. Just plug it in. There are no drivers needed. It works with many devices. This includes Thunderbolt 3 laptops. Therefore, it is quite versatile. Furthermore, its white color is sleek. It blends in well. This StarTech USB-C HDMI 4K60 PD converter is truly a portable powerhouse. Moreover, this adapter offers a fantastic bonus. It has a power delivery PD pass-through port. This means you can charge your laptop. You can also display video simultaneously. It supports up to 60 watt of power. This is enough for most laptops. So, no more choosing between charging and projecting. It's like having two tools in one. This feature is a game changer, especially for busy professionals or for students. They often work on the go. The StarTech USB-C HDMI 4K60 PD converter keeps things simple. It's a reliable companion. Thus, it's a smart purchase. Finally, this converter is built to last. It feels sturdy. StarTech.com products are known for quality. This adapter is no exception. It's also very compact. You can easily slip it into your bag. Take it anywhere, whether for presentations or movie nights. This adapter delivers. It transforms your viewing experience. Therefore, it's an excellent investment. The price is also reasonable. It provides great value. Ultimately, it's a must-have accessory. Pros: works great with PC and Android phone. Successfully tested HDCP compliance. Only adapter so far to work. No issues with overheating. Worked with the Google Pixel 8 Pro, mirror phone screen and charge simultaneously. Plug and play. Perfect for adding another monitor. Allows charging in HDMI gaming, audio and video ported to TV cons. Requires USB-C 4.0 or DP alt mode. Gets hot to the touch. Screen flickers completely on and off, degrading more and more over time. Unusable. Goes on and off every 1 to 2 minutes. Features: converts USB-C to HDMI, supports 4K at 60 Hz video, has power delivery PD, pass-through 60 watt PD charging, Thunderbolt 3 compatible, white color, easy to use, display, video converter, USB Type-C connectivity, model CDP2 HDUCPW. This StarTech.com adapter lets you connect your USB-C device to an HDMI screen, showing clear 4K video at 60 frames per second. It also has a special port that charges your device with up to 60 watts of power while you're using it, so you don't run out of battery. It works with Thunderbolt 3 ports too, and its white color and simple design make it easy to use. The StarTech.com USB-C to HDMI 2.0 adapter is a convenient device that lets you connect your USB-C computer or Android phone to an HDMI display, supporting clear 4K video at 60 Hz. It also has a special port that allows you to charge your device at the same time, delivering up to 60 watt of power. Many users found it easy to use, simply plugging it in to mirror their screen or add an extra monitor. And it even worked well for gaming while charging. However, some users reported that the adapter can get hot and, over time, the screen might start flickering or cutting out, eventually making the adapter unusable for some.